You can't go.
What? Why not?
Because I have a bad feeling. I feel like you're gonna get hurt.
How dare you say that to me? How dare you? How could you? You know that I've always liked him since forever, and now you're trying to tell me I can't go because you have a bad feeling? Well, sorry that you're just jealous of me because no one will ever love you, and I'm your only friend, so you can't have me all to yourself. How dare you? To think I thought of you as my best friend.
What the flip? I didn't even get to do anything.
Yeah, I am so excited for my day. Now, what am I gonna wear? I can't find any clothes for my date. Oh, I guess I'm just gonna have to cancel. I'm gonna go to bed now. Poor Blake. What's this? It's dress.